Okay, content creators who write blog articles, this one's for you. It is called Contentpace. And what I like about this is it teaches you how to learn it in 45 seconds. So it must be good. But it uses their built-in editor to create a content brief for your article. And that AI, it scrapes Google, it looks at the articles, it says, this is what you need to put in your article, and this is how long your article needs to be to appear on the front page of Google. I've just seen that my little wound is showing there. That's why I'm wearing the hat. Oh, and I'm going a bit bald. But yeah, I'm in my Airbnb and I decided to headbutt a cupboard. And I wasn't even drunk. It's when you don't know your bearings around somewhere. So very quickly, here is Content Brief. Have a look at it. Here's the 45-second course. So basically what you do is you add your topic research keyword into the report generation form. You select Google as your search region and create report and give it a couple of minutes. Then, once you've got your report, you open your report. You create new content brief by clicking Create New Content Brief. Don't you like that? I love this. I love software where it's simple. You click on any text from the report and add it to your newly created content brief. See what it... Well, all right, so what it was showing you there, it was showing different articles, and you were copying and pasting from the different articles into your content brief. And then open your new brief, copy it to the clipboard, paste it into your document or paste it into your blog where you're editing, and then you could use other tools to start creating your article. Okay, so you like the look of that, don't you? Very easy to use. I've put a link in the description. It's my discount link. You'll get it for a great deal price. Let's get going and create a topic report. Here we go. Is crypto a scam? Oh, I don't know if you saw my video the other day. I do dabble a little bit in crypto. And because I do use crypto, I do want to make videos about crypto. But I'm scared that if I put them on this channel, you'll be all like, oh, it's a con, and you'll stop watching my other videos. Tell me your thoughts on that. But well, let's find out if crypto is a scam by creating a report now. So we click Create a Report, and we give it time, and it's preparing the report. So you can see I went for google.co.uk, and I went for the language English, reported by me, and let's see how it goes. While it's doing that, yeah, no, I'm So it took a couple of minutes, but when AI takes a long time, I'm always happy. It means it's working hard for you. So let's view the report. Okay. Our goal is to help you understand your topic and competitor better, to save you hours of manual research. Okay, so it's saying that from the top 50 reports on this article, the average word count in an article is 2,000 words. So when you're creating your blog, so for example, I've shown you other software like Content at Scale that can create a full blog. And when you create your full blog with Content at Scale, it asks you how big your word count will be. So if I'm doing this has told me now that if I'm doing that particular article, that I should make the article around 2,000 words. College grade readability. Okay. And it's actually saying, based on the analyze lists of the top 50 organic results from Google search, don't know what that means. But here we go. What to know about cryptocurrency and scams. That is the article that is appearing number 1, and you can just click on it and view it. It's got a content score of 56. And it's all about avoiding crypto scams. 9 common cryptocurrency scams, which has got a decent score there. That's how many words it is. You can view the article here, and then I can actually view the original article as well. So it appears on whatis.com. There it is. So I'm liking this, yeah. So there we go. There's all of the articles. Here are the details of each article. So this article ranks number 1. This one ranks number 2. And it's telling you all about the scams in crypto. It tells you all the alt text used. So this would save you a lot of time. The outbound URLs that are used. So now we're going to create a content brief. So I want to create something along these lines. I'll put it out on top 10 current crypto cryptocurrency scams 2023. So if I want to add stuff underneath this, add new headline, I can go add these in. Look at this. They're appearing there. Obviously, I've clicked them twice, and you only have to single click. Right. So I'm liking this software. It's simple, that, isn't it? But is that what we do? I think that's what we do with it. That is basically how you do it. You are creating. You are borrowing stuff from the top 10 articles already appearing in Google. It's telling you the important scams and words, sorry, not scams, words to put into your article. And when you are happy, when you've created your content brief, you simply click copy. And if you want to share that brief, all right, so it's got its own dashboard as well, so I can put that into, so I'll show you this now. I'll just go into a new window. So that, wow. So that's good, isn't it? You see what it's done there. Okay? So it will look at the top articles and it will give you all of the headlines, all of the things you need to create an article that could well appear in the top 10 on Google. Okay? When you're happy with it, you might have a team of people who are writing the article. So then, I've spelled cryptocurrency wrong there. I won't be doing that. You can just copy that text and it will copy it all, or you can share it and it will create a URL where you can just share the information and people can use that. And then you can paste that information into your blog and then use other software, possibly like ScaleNut AI, ScaleNut, which I use. I mean, ScaleNut's got a form of this built into their software, or as I say, Content at Scale, which creates the complete articles. The question one I did the other day, I can't remember the name, they're not going to be happy, that creates lots of articles. You can put your outline for your brief into that software, and then you can write your article using AI. Or you could actually do something like people used to do in the olden days and write the article yourself. Hey, how about that? And that's basically what it does in a tin. And it's quite brief, this video, I know, but there you go. Tell me what you think about Content at Pace. As I say, if you want a good deal on it, there's a link in the description of this video. And I'm back with another one soon. So, yeah, that looks promising, doesn't it? Contentpace does what it says on the tin and could be used in conjunction with other AI writing software. It creates your content brief using AI. Check it out, and I'll see you soon. Oh, yeah, listen, thank you so much for watching my little videos. It helps you. If you thought, oh, that's helpful, and you click the like button, it helps me along the way. Cheers. Oh, yeah, and thanks for subscribing if you feel like doing that as well. Take care. See you next time.